and welcome back to another cash stuffing Sunday. I hope you are all doing really well. Thank you for all the love and support for last week's video, and guys, if you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things. So this week's cash stuffing, guys, so I'm in kind of like my second, for me it's the second week of the month, and I'm really kind of struggling with the whole, you know, working and trying to balance childcare and stuff. I don't know if anybody out there is actually in the same boat as me, but I feel like I'm literally using most of my wages on childcare, which kind of wasn't supposed to be the point, but I suppose I only have another, 2 months of it? October, November. Yeah, we're in October now, so we have November and December, and then, yeah, January I get extra hours for free with our child nursery thing. But I just feel like at the minute, like, it's just a wee bit crazy, like the amount of money I'm spending out on it. So today's budget was a nice hefty 250 until my bill of 170 came in for childcare. What can I do? It has to be done. So with that being taken out, I've been left with 80, and 30 of that I had to spend this morning on food because we ran out of breakfast stuff. So I had to go and get some fruit and veg and some cereals, and it was just all a bit manic. And yeah, I'm literally left now with 50 quid. Let's just double check. 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. Yeah, 50 quid now to do all my bills. And I have other bills that need to be looked at too. But right now, like, this is it. This is where we're at. And I'm really finding it a bit difficult, to be honest. It's like I never have money anymore. And the more I work, well, the more I have to pay in childcare. So just kind of, and I know I've paid childcare like last week and the week before, was because she's in 2 different places. So I have her in a nursery once a week and a childminder's 2 days of the week. The childminder I pay at the end of the month, but then the nursery has to be paid up front at the start of the month. Now they sent out the bill last week, so I'm paying it this week, so it should be gone in today. And that's kind of where we're at with that. And going forward, then the nursery has to be paid at the start of the month and the childminder has to get paid at the end of the month. And I just feel like them 2 weeks at the end of my month, I'm constantly just shelling out, like. But anyhow, it is what it is. Won't be forever, as they say, and thank God for that. So let's go and cash stuff this 50 quid. So I'm going to put 10 into water because I headed there last week and I have nothing left. And I've started doing this thing now. I know it's not good, but sure, look, I have started to use my dishwasher again because honestly, between running to and from schools, trying to pick everybody up, do homework, cook dinners, I literally physically do not have the energy to start washing all the pots and pans myself. I'm knackered by the end of the day. So I've started using my dishwasher, and I know it's going to eat up electricity on me, and I know it's going to drink a lot of water, but you know what? It is what it is. I literally am not able, so something's got to give. 40 is going into council tax because that's the next one. And I just feel like I'm on a never-ending bloody loop with bills lately, and I just really want to start tackling some of them. Like, I haven't even looked at my very one now in a few weeks, and that's annoying me that I really want to get that down, even though I know I'm in the good with it, but I just want to. Now this one is due at the end. The boys' beds one is due January 1st, and I really want to get that paid before they start charging me interest. So at the minute all I have is 40 quid in there, so that's not exactly great. Oh, let's pray that next week I can get to. See, next week I'm going to hopefully put some money away for childcare so it doesn't hit me so hard. Even though I had money put away, but like it just went. I started shopping in Asda for food because I found Lidl keep doing me dirty with that bloody app. So what happened was, I did one of my shops there not that long ago in Aldi, or not Aldi, I did one of my shops not that long ago in Lidl, and the girl at the desk did not scan my card. It was right there in front of her, and usually they say, you know, at the end of your shop, have you got your app? And she didn't, and of course I didn't remember to do it, even though like it was right in front of me and her. And yeah, I wound up missing out on loads of points, and I missed out on all the 15% off, 25% off, or whatever offers they were giving me. I wound up missing out on all of them. So I'm like, your staff, first of all, need to be able to communicate to the customer that we've always, you know, as customers, you have other things on your mind as well. You're like the way they do in Boots, you know, if you miss your, you know, if you've forgotten your card or whatever, you can go and bring your card in at another date and get your points. Lidl need to do something with their app, something similar, because at this rate of going, they're going to lose customers. Now I've gone to Asda because, for one, like, it's easier the baskets checkout. They take cash. So I don't go in there always with my card because I'm like, I'm using my envelope. So that's the point of me using my envelopes, is that I go into the shop and I'm able to spend and not overspend myself. In Lidl, all the self-service checkouts are all card, which makes it really difficult because you will overspend on your card. Like, that's a guarantee. It's kind of the idea of the card, is for you to overspend. And unless you're very, very stringent and very, very careful with your money, you know, like the majority of us, most of us, I'd say, that are here doing this cash stuff and journey, we are people who will overspend. Like, it's just the nature of the game. And I'm really trying not to. So I found that Asda, they have now brought out an app as well. I can't remember, I think it's Asda Rewards, I think it's called, where they actually give you physical money into an account. I'm £7.50 away from getting my next one. But I just found as well, like with their own Asda brand, they've just got a better variety of things. And it's cheaper. The last time I was there, I spent £55. And I still had a fiver, which I still have. But one of my kids has lost an owl fiacla. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, fiacla. Your teeth, basically. A tooth. And yeah, two of them. Actually, we've had two teeth gone this weekend. So now the old fairy has to make her appearance. So there we are with that. And yeah, I just find Asda is my new place to go to these days. I just can't be dealing with shitty customer service and not being able to get what I need. So it's Asda for me for now. And we'll see then where we go to from there. So guys, sorry for the bit of a rant and a rave. The 1p challenge, here we go. I have £1. Woohoo! It's a good job. You know, this is a slow process because I swear to God, snails are going faster than me these days. But sure, look, it is what it is, folks. You can't make a mountain out of a molehill, but it's a start at least. And don't forget to update your piggy tracker, or whatever it's called. I do forget the names of all these apps, I swear to you. I'm just not, my head's not in it. I'm really stressed these days, as you can imagine. Folks, I'm going to love you and leave you, super savers, and I shall talk to you in my next video. Bye! Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye!